Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is stripped heaters. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit is entirely about like a 24 inches long. And the overall height is about like a 6 inches. And the deep will be 2.5 inches. For the units, we can see on top, we see here toggle controls and have lights to notify if it turns on or not. When you flip over, you will see we're having the ETL sanitation stickers inside, and the unit is only using about like a 500 watts. For this plug, it's only standard 110 plugs. US plug will be working for this unit. That will be all the detailed information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.